Bitcoin bounced from 75,000 exactly as I predicted. My indicator gave a perfect long signal at the absolute bottom, and I partially locked in my global short. But if you think the bear market is over, you are blind. The American economy just broke Great Depression levels, the consumer is dead, and inflation crossed the Rubicon, which has always 100% of the time ended in a historic crash. Daily Market Review, Monday, May 25th. Forget about geopolitical noise. Trump is posting AI-generated pictures of bombs and threatening Iran. This is a circus. Until there are factual decisions, we don't trade this nonsense. The real disaster is unfolding in macroeconomics. The top 10 companies in the S&P 500 index now account for 39.7% of the entire market cap. This has never happened. The record set before the Great Depression on crash has been broken. Goldman Sachs analysts are panicking. The crowd invents fairy tales that this time is different, but history laughs at them. Why will this bubble burst? Because the foundation of the economy, the American consumer, is destroyed. Credit card delinquencies skyrocketed to 13.1%. This is an absolute 15 years high. People ran out of cash. They cannot service their debts at current prices. And prices will only go up. US inflation accelerated to 3.8% due to expensive oil. Experts are urgently raising forecasts to 6% this quarter. Remember the 55-year rule. Every time inflation crossed the 4% mark, the stock market crashed. 1970, 87, 2008, 2022, drops range from 25 to 57%. We are repeating the 1970s scenario with 3 waves of inflation. The Fed cannot cut rates. Expensive money will kill corporate profits and risk assets. Let's move to crypto. Bitcoin bounced to 77,000. The wick closed with a red candle but left a long lower shadow. Historically, such shadows act as a magnet and get fully covered. My first downside target is to update this shadow at 74,300. The next target is the daily order block at 73,000. But be extremely careful. According to liquidation maps, the most liquidity is accumulated at the 79,600 level. At the heat map shows a massive pool burning at 78,500. The market maker could easily engineer a pump this week to take out these levels before continuing the dump. My strategy: I remain a hardcore bear. I hold the main part of my Bitcoin short as well as global shorts on Gold and Nvidia. Local long signals might fail against such a macro backdrop. We wait for the resolution. Are you in a long or a short right now? Let me know in the comments, subscribe and continue tomorrow.